Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're diving into HP printer error code 59 from 2025. If you're seeing this error on your HP printer, it can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's often fixable with a few simple steps. This error typically points to issues like a faulty print cartridge, a paper jam, or even outdated firmware, which might have been updated in the 2025 models for better performance. First things first, let's start with the basics. Error code 59 usually means there's a problem with the printer's internal components or connectivity. It could be caused by a jammed paper path, incompatible ink cartridges, or even a software glitch from a recent update. Before you panic, grab your printer and let's troubleshoot together. Step 1. Power cycle your printer. Turn it off, unplug it from the power source, wait about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might resolve the error right away. If that doesn't work, step 2. Check for any paper jams. Open the printer's access doors carefully, remove any stuck paper, and make sure everything is aligned properly. Dust or debris can also cause this, so give it a gentle clean with a soft cloth. Next, step 3. Verify your ink cartridges. Ensure they're genuine HP cartridges and properly installed. Sometimes, using third-party ones can trigger this error. If needed, remove and reinsert them, or replace them if they're low or damaged. Step 4. Update your printer's firmware. Head to the HP website, download the latest drivers for your model, and install them on your computer. This is crucial for 2025 models, as they might have specific fixes for error code 59. If you're still seeing the error, it might be a hardware issue. In that case, step 5. Run a diagnostic test through the HP Smart app or contact HP support for professional help. Remember, attempting repairs yourself could void your warranty. There you have it, quick and easy fixes for HP printer error code 59. I hope this video saved you time and frustration. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.